In this model, we will explore how you can create a complete content calendar in a few seconds using ChatGPT. What is a content calendar? It's something that you have, is a program, and a structure, an organization of content that you plan in advance to publish over time. Let's say we have a campaign that will run for 3 months, and it's a social media campaign where the goal is to share your products, your knowledge, and topics about your services with your audience. That's the goal. So you need to create videos for YouTube, you need to post on social media, and what type of video, what type of content, what are you writing on this content? So it's too many things to think about. So let's ask ChatGPT to do this work for you, so you have these results in a few seconds. And if you work in a company, you can do this right now and show it to your boss, and they will be really impressed with the results. So let me share with you the prompt. Remember, the prompt is the question that we ask ChatGPT to generate this result. This is the one that I'm using. It can still be optimized, but this one creates great results for us. So you see here, I will ask ChatGPT to create a content calendar for my marketing campaign. So let's see here, for my marketing campaign. And I also ask follow-up questions until you have all the information you need to create the perfect content calendar. So I'm asking them to write this and to ask follow-up questions if they need more information in order to create the best results, the best calendar for you. It's important to add, this is a great tip, guys, it's a professional one, it's important to add the option to ask ChatGPT to ask you questions in case they need more information to create the absolute best result for you. So let's see what happened when I click enter here. Watch the screen right now. And here we have, it's saying, great, I can help you to create this calendar, but ChatGPT have 9 questions for me right now. Sometimes it asks you more questions, sometimes less. So let's reply to these questions so it can create the right content calendar for us on this example. So what is the goal of your marketing campaign? Sales, we want to sell more. Number 2, who is your target audience? Business owners. Of course, here, you will add your actual target audience, right? Number 3, what channels will you distribute it on? My website, and also YouTube, and social media. Okay. Number 4 is saying how long your campaign run. Let's say that it will run for 3 months. In this example. Number 5, what type of content are you planning to create? Let's say that we are creating number 5, social media posts. We are also creating videos. Okay, these 2 content. Number 6, do you have any important date or event that you want to include? Not. Number 7, how frequently are you planning to post? Let's say that we are planning to post 2 times a week. Okay. Number 8, do you have any specific themes or topic that you would like to focus on during the campaign? Let's say that we want to focus on digital marketing, for example. Number 9, last question. Stay here with me, guys. Do you have any specific metrics or KPIs that you want to use during the campaign? On this case, I not. Okay, so I'll hit enter and let's see what ChatGPT create for us. Maybe it has more follow-up questions. Let's see. Great, thank you for the information. Based on what you provide, here it is. Month number 1, week 1. Why digital marketing is important for business owner. Week 2, 5 digital marketing strategies for small business owners. And this is a video. The first one is a video, the second one is a social media post. Week 3, the benefits of running Facebook ads for your business. This is a video. You see that is creating for us the whole marketing campaign, the whole content calendar, not marketing campaign, the whole content calendar for your content creation process. So you can come here, it have 1 content per week. Actually, we ask for 2 contents per week, but it's fine. We have at least something to look for. You see here that the topics cover digital marketing and the success of this campaign, depending on the metric. Okay, wonderful. So here you have not only all organized and divided by month, by week, but you also have some ideas of content. For example, for week 1, let's say, why digital marketing is important for business owners. So I can, and this is a video, So I can grab this and say, hey, ChatGPT, please write a complete video outline, video script for this. And I put the why digital marketing is important for business owners. And I go enter, and he's saying, sure, let's do this. Introduction, hey, I'm Diego. In this video, I will explain to you to why digital marketing is important for business owners. And you see that it's creating the whole video script, so you don't even need to think about the video script. It gave you the option, the idea about this video, this topic, this content, and you can also use this to create a script. And let's say you don't like, let's go back here. Let's say you don't like this one. For example, the benefits of running Facebook ads for business. So I can come here to ChatGPT and say, write 10 other content ideas similar to this. And you paste that one, and you will have other 10 ideas that are similar to the one that you just provided. This is fantastic. I hope you use this to create your content calendar. Content calendar is super important because it helps you to be consistent on your marketing. Remember, the only secret here to succeed and to create a strong online presence for you, for your brand, for your business online, in all over social media, on your website, on YouTube, everywhere, the secret is to be consistent and to have valuable content for your audience. And this will help you do that. See you in the next video.